Alright, everybody, this is the sort of like the unboxing of the Apple Magic Mouse. I just got it now and I'm recording it so I don't forget to record it. I opened it from the box already, from the packaging, but um, so I guess you can say this is the inner unboxing or something. Well, anyway, um, comes in a case like this. It didn't come with anything else, no instructions, no paperwork, no warranty slip or anything, but I'm assuming I still have the 1 year warranty. Because I remember I got something with the Apple Mighty Mouse that you see over there. I'm gonna replace that with this. I'm I might be giving that to my sister, or I might sell it online because this is only like maybe 2-3 months old. But anyway, let's get on with this. So I took it off earlier. I took this piece off earlier, so it's easier to take it off with one hand because I'm filming with my 3GS. And so here it is, guys. It's pretty beautiful actually. Looks pretty nice. I tried playing with it at the Apple Store, and um, it was pretty cool to play with. And it seems like when I click, it's firmer clicks. But anyway, here's the mouse. Oops. And oh, it does come with paperwork, but it's inside. It's usually outside of the packaging. But here's the bottom part of it, and it's connected to this thing, which I'm gonna take off in a few moments. So you get your plastic packaging. I guess they're trying to save on that. So you have your Magic Mouse. I guess this is the instructions, and some Bluetooth regulatory thing, and of course your limited warranty slip. Okay, so on the bottom there's this little sticky down here. Okay. Alright, so that part detaches off the mouse. Alright, there you go, guys. Here's the bottom part of it, and there's the top part of it. So let me try to turn this on. And it's pretty cool. They include batteries already inside of it, and so it's on already. You see the blinking green light, and so I'm gonna try it out here. Let's turn this on. Alright. Okay, sorry, I had to disconnect my iPhone. Alright, so I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth settings and set up Bluetooth device, and it's detecting the mouse. Let's see, I'm clicking on the Magic Mouse, see if it detects anything. Or maybe I have to hold it down, huh? Usually whenever I hold down stuff, like the or wireless keyboard or the mouse, then it detects it. So let's see if it actually works here. I think I have to close this one off actually. So I closed off my Mighty Mouse, and let's see if it, oh wow, it does work. As you can see, my cursor, it moves pretty well. And congratulations, your Bluetooth setup, your mouse is set up. Okay, so this is called the Apple Mouse. So this is a web page, by the way, so I'm gonna kind of use that 2-finger motion. Alright, well, I guess I have to go back to the settings, Apple wireless mouse preferences, and so set up Bluetooth mouse. Alright. It's a pretty nice mouse actually. Um, Not sure why it's not detecting that. Well, it's working, but it's got to figure out a way to set this mouse up. Um, Alright, well, I'm just gonna end it here so I don't go over my time limit, and hopefully this mouse will work after I set it up, and maybe I'll try to play with it later. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.